What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme, down at the gravel pit with the Traxxas XMAXX 8S, WFO and Thunderoos equipped, running Max 5 ESC, the Leopard V258 110 950 3325 is the gear. Moving real well. And this is Louis RC, the 5th scale buggy tires. They are, in my opinion, almost way too small, but it handles great. It's not gonna be a backflip machine. Or maybe it is, who knows? Oh, yeah, I know. We bended the Centreshaft. Yep. Of course, when you land where the end of the pile and the ground starts, so oh, a crack in the low bulkhead. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it a day. Well. Yeah, I'm gonna go home with it. Seems it standed back. Well. That's it, guys. Something left the building.